Hi, I'm Yuka. I'm cooking instructor. I enjoy cooking together rather than cooking by myself. Itadakimasu.
Tell us where we are right now.
Now we are in the Oyamada station. This is a small little residential area. Has a lovely shopping arcade and very friendly people. Still, I can find some good vegetables, so I shop in many places. There are some little farms, also organic shops there.
Are there a lot of farms like this?
Yes, small one. There, and over there.
Wow! What makes this vegetable stand special?
They specialize in the reduced pesticide vegetable, 75% less.
You just pay and you leave it.
So it is more convenient.
So they don't check, you just put
I just put. This is the middle of Tokyo, but still has little nature.
What was food like for you growing up?
I grew up with a very balanced meal. My mother likes cooking, so every day she cooks miso soup, rice, and little vegetable dishes. I always help her. So now I teach Shojin Ryori. Shojin Ryori is originally diet for monks during spiritual training, but nowadays it is known as a healthy, nourishing way of eating. Today I'm focused on Shojin Ryori lesson. It's also some of this is homemade dish I grew up with. We got this edamame, so I'm thinking to mix edamame with rice with my homemade umeboshi.
You still make a lot of the recipes that your mom gave you?
Yeah. Also, I studied Chinese medicinal foods and macrobiotic and Shojin Ryori as my teacher. So I combine all my knowledge. I think the basic thing is from my mom. My lessons are not only vegan, vegetarian. People who want to learn traditional Japanese cooking and how to use the Japanese vegetable enjoy my lesson. We make sesame tofu, typical Shojin Ryori dish. So this is kuzu, the starch made from a plant called kuzu. And this works nearly same as potato starch. This has more nutrition and even used for Chinese medicine. In the temple, traditionally, they even make the sesame paste from scratch. So I tried a few times. But takes 40 to 50 minutes. In Shojin Ryori, we try not to waste any ingredients, even a piece of rice. Recently, I put this in soup, not to waste. Actually, it makes miso soup more rich. Especially today, we make the eggplant and sesame seed soup. So I found it much with the soup. Actually, one time I became allergic to wheat milk. I was not good health, but I wanted to stop taking medicine. So I learned about how I can improve my health, and I stopped all medicine and changed to cook and eat nice food. So I started to learn from Chinese medicinal food, and because I like vegetable, I wanted to focus more on vegetable. Tsuramurasaki, this is very sticky vegetable, and okra is good for summer, prevent summer fatigue. So I make a dish with this vegetable and using white miso and vinegar and mustard. That's something my mother used to make. I have motivation because when I had allergic to many kinds of food, many people helped me, especially when I went abroad. It was difficult. I still remember when we stayed in the B&B in Canada, and the owner gave me a gluten-free bread he made that morning when we left, and he said, "Oh, you can survive with this bread." So that's why I started to have the class open for everyone. So gluten-free or vegan, halal, anything, I can adjust that. Summertime, people like to eat unagi, eel. So I make vegetarian eel from tofu and potato. We make tofu paste. So I make another dish with tofu paste called shirae. Shirae is also typical homemade dish. My mother used to make shirae, but here in my class, I changed the ingredients by season. Today is very special, cucumber and pumpkin. During that hard time, I learned how to cook without a particular ingredient. Actually, I started to enjoy trying. Before, I didn't really notice because my mother cooked different dishes, so it was natural for me eating different vegetables. But when I meet more people from other countries, I noticed, oh, we have so many different kinds of vegetables, and even Japanese people have not tried everything. I think we become very happy after I started cooking, and we are connected with very, very nice people. This miso soup is special in Shojin Ryori. I grew up with miso soup. So today I'm thinking to use eggplant. Something we use ground sesame seed. It's just grinding sesame always reminds me my childhood cooking together with my mother.
チャレンジのところ。
チャレンジ。あ、上手。Oh, yeah, very good. I enjoy cooking together rather than by myself. So we saute the eggplant with sesame oil and make the soup separately. Put the eggplant on the bowl and pour the soup later. Sennorik is the master of tea ceremony, and he liked the sesame, so the name of the soup is Rikyu Jiru. I love Japanese food. Shojin Ryori, some of dishes are very special. I'm familiar with. My mother used to cook, so I decided to focus more on Japanese traditional vegetarian dish. Often we eat sesame tofu with wasabi, but today ginger is refreshing in summertime. Pickle. I made.
You made the umeboshi.
Yeah, this year is only this because my friend has a plum tree, but this year her tree only has 10 plums. But I still went there and I made umeboshi. So this is just done 3 days ago. My mother is from Kobe. So Kobe is popular for bakery or cakes. Because I became allergic, I couldn't eat that bread at one time. So instead of making pretty sweets, I thought maybe I can create a beautiful dishes and make people happy and also me happy if I can adjust my recipe to anyone who wants to eat Japanese food. And so that's why I decided to teach Japanese food, not only for that experience, just to appreciate everyone who helped me. Cooking together is a very nice way for making people together and always have a very nice guest and feel happy. That's why I keep continuing my lesson here. Itadakimasu.